Okay, so this is the fourth, uh, no, this is the third of 4 videos that I'm doing. This is, microphone is still on. This is at -10 decibels. So yeah, I'm just testing the audio here. Just testing it out, checking the different levels of with the audio here, with the microphone that the camera came with. Just testing all the features on here, seeing what works best. And then later this evening, I'm going to be getting the sunset right here on Top Island State Park, right here on the pier. And it's going to be right over there. I can barely see. There they go. There they go. Well, you could barely see Davis Bessie in between the shelter and that tree there. That's where we filmed We Forgot, which won the short film challenge for the Strictly Low Budget Film Group. Big shout out to Franklin Korea for putting that on, or actually putting all these challenges on. Much respect, man. I can't tell you enough how much we appreciate you and your challenges and everything that you do for, for the movie guys, just for everyone just trying to make a movie. It's independent filmmakers just trying to make a movie. Just getting on Facebook Live and explaining techniques and your point of views and everything, going out of your way. You don't have to do that, but you do it anyway because that's, you respect us. You want to see us do good, and you appreciate that. Yeah, so this is the third of 4 videos for now, testing the audio before we test out the time lapse, getting the sunset later. So this is at -10 decibels. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off and test out the +20 decibels.